how to free up tons of iPhone storage. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside Settings, scroll up and tap on your name on the top. After you tap on your name, simply tap on the iCloud option available from the Apple ID settings. Then once you tap on the iCloud, you will be navigated to the iCloud storage. Now from there, you can see your iCloud storage. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the Use USD dollars option available in the blue highlights in order to get the iCloud storage options. So here you can choose any according to your preferences, and you will free up tons of iPhone storage by using this iCloud option. After that, go back to the settings again, and inside settings, scroll down and tap on the App Store option available there. And inside App Store, all you have to do is scroll down again and tap on the automatic downloads option available there. If the switch is toggled on, then make sure to toggle it off. After that, right below the automatic download, you can see app downloads option available as well. And make sure to toggle the switch or simply choose the Ask over 200 MB option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.